Have you ever wondered if it's possible to live forever? While immortality might sound like a fantasy, science is constantly pushing the boundaries of what we know about aging and longevity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the science of aging, the mechanisms behind it, and the cutting-edge research that could one day change the way we think about life and death. Is living forever possible? Let's explore the science of aging and whether we're getting closer to the fountain of youth. Before we can talk about stopping aging, we need to understand why it happens in the first place. Aging is a natural process that affects every living organism, but it's also incredibly complex. At the core, aging happens on a cellular level. As we age, our cells begin to break down and lose their ability to function properly. One of the biggest factors behind aging is damage to our DNA. Every time our cells divide, the DNA inside them faces a risk of damage. Over time, this damage accumulates, causing cells to malfunction. But it doesn't end there. We also experience a decline in the function of our mitochondria, which are the energy powerhouses of our cells. As mitochondrial function declines, our cells start to lose their vitality, and aging accelerates. Now, let's talk about telomeres, tiny protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. Think of them like the plastic tips on the ends of shoelaces. Each time a cell divides, the telomeres shorten a little bit. Eventually, when they get too short, the cell can no longer divide, and it enters a state called senescence. Basically, it stops working and can even contribute to aging and disease. The idea of telomeres has become one of the key focal points in aging research. If we could somehow keep telomeres from shortening, or even reverse the process, could we extend our lifespan? Some scientists believe that telomere length could be a significant factor in how long we live. So, are there any ways to slow down or even reverse the aging process? Well, the field of anti-aging research is booming with exciting discoveries. One promising area of research is caloric restriction. Studies in animals have shown that reducing caloric intake can extend lifespan and improve health. The idea is that eating less puts less stress on our bodies, leading to slower aging and better longevity. But don't start fasting just yet. Scientists are still figuring out how this translates to humans. Another exciting development is stem cell therapy. Stem cells have the unique ability to turn into any type of cell in the body, which makes them a powerful tool for regenerating damaged tissues and organs. Researchers are exploring how stem cells can be used to replace damaged cells and potentially extend lifespan. Then there's the use of senolytics, drugs that target and destroy old, dysfunctional cells. By removing these damaged cells, scientists believe we can improve health, extend lifespan, and reduce the impact of age-related diseases. Now, let's get to the big question: could we ever achieve immortality? While current research into aging is promising, there are still major hurdles to overcome. The concept of immortality, living forever, is still far from reality. Even if we could extend our lifespan significantly, there are still issues like disease, accidents, and the natural wear and tear that can't be avoided. Some researchers are even looking into mind uploading and digital immortality, where our consciousness could potentially be transferred to a computer. But this is still the stuff of science fiction, and there's a long way to go before it becomes a possibility. So, what does the future hold? Will we ever truly live forever? While immortality might be out of reach for now, advances in aging research are already helping us live healthier, longer lives. The key to longevity might not be in avoiding death, but in living a long and healthy life free from disease and decline. As scientists continue to uncover the mysteries of aging, there's no telling just how far we can push the limits of human lifespan. Maybe one day, we'll have the answers to living forever, but for now, all we can do is focus on living our best, healthiest lives. After all, it's not about how long you live, but how well you live. Call to action. What do you think? Will we ever unlock the secret to immortality, or is aging a natural part of life that we can only slow down? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating scientific discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.